Here we are again. Here's another question. Well, what is my denominator is equal to 0? Well, x cannot be equal to 0. This is my non-permissible value. If x was equal to 0, this denominator would be equal to 0. Same with that one. That can't happen. So, probably first order of business, I need to find what my LCD is, my lowest common denominator. Well, if I take a look, this has my 3. There's really a secret 1 in the denominator. The second term has x in the denominator. And my last term has x squared in the denominator. So I think that my lowest common denominator is going to be x squared. So once I do that, I'm just going to simply write out my equation again. And I'm going to multiply both sides by my lowest common denominator, which is x squared. Now be careful when you do this. Make sure that you're distributing that multiplication. 1, 2. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. X squared times 1 over x is x squared over x. And on the right-hand side, well, I guess we have 4x squared over x squared. And I notice that I have a common factor of x squared in the denominator and the numerator, so they just cancel each other out. A lot of you probably are wondering what's going on with that middle term. I agree. It's weird. Let's try to settle it down a bit and simplify. So what I see is this is x squared plus x. Well, we both have a factor of x in the numerator and the denominator. So all that's left remaining is x, and this is equal to 4. Wouldn't you know it, our favorite friend, the quadratic. So now I just need to factor this. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 12, but add to 1. Oh, that's easy. That's 4 and negative 3. So I'm going to decompose this. And we're off to the races. I look amongst the pairs. What is the greatest common factor among the pairs? It's 3x. On the second pair, it's 4. I'm going to continue on factoring, and use the zero product property to solve. So x is equal to negative 4 over 3, or x is equal to 1. Those would be my solutions. Now I should check, because my non-permissible values, it's good. X can't be equal to 0, but these are my solutions here.